Now that we have Thonny installed, it's time to set up the Raspberry Pi Pico. Here's where you'll need to familiarize yourself with some of the components of Raspberry Pi Pico. Identify a white boot cell button on the board, an onboard LED, and the USB port. In the next step, you will need to use these three elements to connect and configure Raspberry Pi Pico to enable running Micropython programs. This part needs a human touch. Connect the USB cable to the computer as usual, then press and hold the white boot cell button on the Pico. While keeping the white boot cell button pressed, connect the micro USB end to the Pico. You should see the Pico appear as a storage device on your computer. Let us go through these steps manually. Watch how the white boot cell button is pressed, and then while kept pressed, the micro USB cable is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico port. Take care not to press the button too hard. It just needs to be clicked on. Once connected, the button is released. If you have successfully connected Raspberry Pi Pico to your computer, you should see a storage device with the name RPI RP2 in E drive of your computer. The partition label E may be different in your case. Moreover, there will be two files in the root directory as index.htm and info.uf2.txt.